Hello everyone, it's this week's crypto episode. I'm Jam,
I'm Cons.
and we are two bros interested in finance. So, crypto episodes. I want to say we have a lot to talk about, which we do, but it's not really about the market, is it? It's more about the news that is happening around the market. But anyways, let's just start. So, CMC 20 index in the last 7 days is up 4.42%. Bitcoin trading around $76,150, up 4.7% in the last 7 days. Ethereum trading around $2,360, up 5%. Ripple trading around $1.43, up 6.85%. BNB trading around $633, up nearly 5%, and Solana is trading around $87, up 3% in the last 7 days. So Bitcoin has been like it's like this is the main benchmark for crypto market is definitely Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin is above $75,000, which seems really nice, but I think that this is just a bull trap, no more than that. I don't think that it's gonna go to zero. I don't, but it's. I feel like this is just a bull trap. People are just like saying that after 120, like the top of the bull market, after people saying, I think people are just like seeing this price and saying, "Oh, we are coming back like $200 to the moon." It's not gonna happen. I can clearly tell you that. I might have been wrong with the 160, 180 goal, but I wasn't wrong about the general market parametrics with Bitcoin in that bull run. Um, it's good that it's trading around here. It means that the market is still like hopeful and everything, but at the same time, I think it's going to go back to 60s, and hopefully, if it drops back to 55s, I will definitely consider buying it. But right now, I think it's just a bull trap, and I don't think we are going to see any all-time highs. I think we still have a couple of years to see that. Um, but yeah, it's just like the crypto market is not that hopeful, uh, in my opinion. None of the markets are hopeful. I think it's just, we are just waiting because there are a lot of news happening. America being in a war definitely is making the markets worse. But as soon as the war is over, I think the markets are just going to flare up, and they're going to go to the moon. But to be fair, even if the markets, like even if the war is over, I don't think the crypto market is going to go over the moon. I think it's just going to be the stocks market because just Bitcoin just had its run, and I think that was it. So yeah, that's what I'm going to say. What's your thoughts on this?
Yeah, not much, honestly. Pain, as I like to say when I look at the crypto market these days, right? Yeah, we had this nice recovery, I guess, from the lows, like you said, but totally on your side when you say like this is a cheeky bull trap, man, because I can see it as well. I if I would make a target for Bitcoin, I can see it totally going 90, 100k still in this short term, but like you say, like overall, I think over the year or over the next 6 months or a year or so, I would say it's definitely bearish overall, and
Yeah.
I think we're gonna see below 60k, hopefully below 50k. That would be a dream. I think that would be a nice entrance, but yeah, maybe with this new recent talking about the news and whatnot, maybe this will be the nice impulse for Bitcoin, like the short term, going up and then the sell off again happening. So if we see a resolution with the whole Strait of Hormuz or whatever, whatever is happening, maybe this will happen. But yeah,
I mean, we'll talk about those news in the stocks episode
yeah.
more, but like Strait of Hormuz, bro, like, is it open
Mm.
or is it closed? Just like decide already, please.
Yeah, for real though. But yeah, otherwise I don't really have much to add. Like commodities wise, also not much changed. I think gold hasn't really moved in the last months. It's pretty even, and silver is up 8%. Um, I think oil obviously had a major draw down on Friday, actually.
How on Friday, yeah.
Yeah, I think it really crashed. But yeah, also very volatile, right? Everything depends on the news, right? Especially with oil. So, um, yeah. Otherwise, I don't know. I don't have much to add. I would say only that I still hold my Coinbase, right? I bought it at the bottom recently, and I'm up quite nicely, but I'm following it very close with the Bitcoin. So I'm definitely gonna see that as a like a short-term trade, and I see myself selling this sooner or later, maybe even in the next 3 months. With that, if Bitcoin makes it nice cheeky upwards movement in the short term. But yeah, otherwise I don't really have much to add to the whole crypto market, man.
Neither do I. In my opinion, all the markets right now are quite boring, including the crypto market. Like, even if I see like skyrocketing graphs, still doesn't give me much hope because of the war. Because at the end, war is the one that is keeping all the markets still.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, that's how it is. If you don't have anything else to add, I think we can just end the
Not
episode.
from my side. Yeah.
Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Your grandma, your grandpa, you guys already know it. Catch you guys in the next episode. Bye
Ciao,
bye.
ciao. Ciao, ciao.